Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So one of the ways to do it is by going ahead and just log in with your Snapchat account. Let's say for example, I'm going to just take a snap, right? Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit send to, basically. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and select the friends on my Snapchat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever it might be, and just click the new group right here and enter the name, enter the name group basically. And after you enter the name group, you're gonna enter the members in the group, which is your friends on Snapchat. And basically after you finish, you can just after typing the name of the group, right, you're gonna be able to send that you're gonna be able to send that Snapchat to the group chat onto your Snapchat, and as long as you posting and sending it to your group chat, you will gain more streaks. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.